Hi friends. So today's video is on oponopono. So what exactly do you mean by that? Let's see. Myself, Dr. Hemant Patil. I am an internationally certified abundance mindset coach, and I am on my mission to help 1 million people to achieve abundance mindset and live their dream life. So as we were working on law of attractions and manifestations before, and we were seeing some causes also why law of attraction doesn't work. So one of the common reason that why law of attraction doesn't work is there is a negative energy about some particular thing. So example, if you're looking for any person or you're looking for some object like car or something, there are chances that you may have some negative energy hidden towards that thing, and that negative energy blocks your success or manifestation process. And how to remove that negative energy, and that's what's the main use of Ho'oponopono is. So let's see how we can use it. So there are 4 sentences. First, I'm sorry. Second, please forgive me. Third, I love you. And fourth, thank you. So whenever you are doing Ho'oponopono, say these sentences with utmost emotions and depth. So when you say these sentences for particular person or particular object, what you want, then you need to have emotions towards that person or towards that object while saying these sentences. So if you want to use law of attraction for attracting money, then while using Ho'oponopono, whenever you are saying, I'm sorry, then say two words, because you have lots and lots of, as we have previously also seen, you have lots and lots of negative emotions towards money. So as we have seen, like rich people are bad, they are dishonest, or success comes only with hard work or something. Those are nothing but negative energies. And we need to remove those negative energies, right? So the first sentence is, I'm sorry towards whatever thing you are saying. Then second, please forgive me. So whatever the negative sentences and the energy you are emitting towards that subject or person, you need to ask forgiveness for that, right? And third thing is, I love you. So when you say I love you, you should emit that love vibrations from your heart towards that thing. And then finally, thank you means the gratitude that you're getting this. And if you use this seriously, then obviously that negative energy towards that substance will be reduced and you will be able to attract that thing in your life very fast. And that's why Ho'oponopono is being used for making your law of attraction process easier and making your manifestation process faster. A short tip to use Ho'oponopono is preferably you should use it for at least 8 to 10 minutes. Or maybe, as people say, you can use it for 108 times. So I'll post a video particularly for each different subjects also, like Ho'oponopono for money, Ho'oponopono for relationship, Ho'oponopono for spirituality, so something like that. And we will be seeing more videos on Ho'oponopono in the future. So see you in the next video. Thank you.